In each repair kit, it contains 2 brake pads, 2 dust-proof covers, 2 longer screws, and other 12 smaller screws. Before installation of the repair kit, we need to remove the old brake pads first. And to remove and to install, the tool needed is the same, which is 1 small plus driver. And don't forget wear gloves during the whole process. And now we're going to demonstrate how to remove the old brake pads. Release the frame by unscrewing the 7 screws. And now remove the dust-proof cover. Remove the old brake pad from the old brake system. And now we are going to assemble the repair kit. Position the new brake pad against the system body by clipping side into the groove of the cylinder and also by matching holes. Put on the dust-proof cover on the system body. Make sure the end of the cover reaches the groove. Adjust the dust-proof cover. Have the stem of the long screw in the hole of dust-proof cover. That side of the dust-proof cover and the bottom of the screw nuts should be wedged together. After putting the dust-proof cover on the body, it will also partially overlap the pad. The holes of the cover should match the screw holes of the pad. Surround the dust-proof cover by the frame. Screw and tighten the new long screw on the body through the frame, the cover, and the new pad. Screw and tighten the new small screws on the outer side of the pad through the frame and the dust-proof cover. Press the side of the frame into the cylinder and match the convex side of the frame and the position holes. Finally, screw and tighten the new small screws on the inner side of the pad through the frame, the dust-proof cover. And now we have finished. one brake pad of the repair kit. Repeat all the steps to install the other one.